My spring daffodils are trying to break through, and I realized I forgot to plant all my bulbs last fall. No problem, because I can do these. And in under 3 minutes, this was my rescue plan. I was already using artificial flowers in my vases and near the front door, but it's so nice to put the spring flowers in as well. Found them super easy to spread out. I love the texture of the flowers, the daffodils in the 3 different spring colors. Add that pop of color that I was hoping for. Best part is the sturdy stem goes straight into the ground, even in this cold weather. And I'm spacing them like I would any other flower. They're giving that instant spring color. There's no maintenance to them. They can do the harsh sun, or if it freezes again, no problem. And it looks like this instant upgraded curb appeal that I'd planned all along. I'm really pleased that they came in 30 spring colors, 12 of each, so you kind of get a more natural look. That eucalyptus is a variegated green, UV resistant, fine in snow, and my favorite part, they can be used again and again. I can have them all season long, take them up, save them, and put them back again next spring. Thanks to the seller for sending these over. If this was helpful for making a buying decision, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.